Okay, so today we're going to solve some more algebraic equations. So first of all, we have 2y plus 5y minus 3y. And if you notice, because these all have y's in them, y, so they're all the same. So we call this like terms. And when we see like terms, it means we can just reduce it down to one of them. So right now there's three of them. So there's 2y, which is one term. There's plus 5y, which is another term. There's minus 3y, which is the third term. But when we have like terms, which means, as you can see, they all have y's in them, it means we can reduce this down to one term. If there was another term here that had maybe x in it or z in it, we can't reduce it all down to one. So in this example, really easy. So we can say 2y plus 5y is 7y minus 3y. 7y minus 3y is 4y. So again, you can think of y's as oranges. So if you have two oranges, you add 5 oranges, then you take away 3 oranges from that, you end up with 4 oranges. And we can do this with the number line as I showed before. Remember, in the number line, when we are adding, we hop to the right. When we're subtracting, we hop to the left. So we start with 2y. So the first term is 2y. So we start at point 2 on the number line. And then we add on 5. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we take away 3. So we hop 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. And we end up at 4. So nice and simple. So the other example we're going to do today, this one has 4 terms. So remember when we talked about the number of terms, so this is one term, 3a is one term, minus 5a is the another term, and then plus 11a is the third term, and then minus 4a is the fourth term. Again, these are all like terms. And why do I say they're like terms? Because they all have a in them. So 3a, 5a, 11a, minus 4a. So all a's, which means we can squish this down to one term. So um, we can just say 3 minus 5. There's different ways we can do this. The number line is very good. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Again, we can use the number line. Let me just change color so it makes it easy to see. So we can use the number line again. So we start at 3, which is up here somewhere. So we got 3 over there. And then minus 5. So we hop to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end up at minus 2. So 3a minus 5a is minus 2a, and then we add on 11a and take away 4a. So and now, so we're at minus 2, we're going to add on 11. That means we hop 11 to the right. So we can start here and go 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So minus 2a plus 11a is 9a minus 4a. 9 minus 4 is 5a. Another way we can do this, which I think is also very intuitive, is you can rewrite this in a way that, let's take all the ones that have a plus sign in front of them and put them first. So 3a, again, because there isn't a sign there, it's a plus. So when we look at the first number, the first term, if there isn't a sign in front of it, it's just an invisible plus. So we're going to start with that, and we're going to say 3a. We'll look for the next thing that has a plus in front of it. That's 11a. 11a. Then we'll start to add on the ones with the minus sign in front of it. So we say minus 5a and minus 4a. Now this is a lot easier to process, because when you have things like this where a small number is trying to take away a big number, it can become quite confusing. So what I would advise you to do is, if you can, is rewrite it this way, where all the numbers with the plus in front of them come first, and then the ones with the minus in front of them come last. So now 3 plus 11, that's 8a. minus 5a minus 4a. So no, 3 plus 11 is 14. I was wondering what happened there. So scrub that. Let's go back. Let's take that away because I was thinking of something else. So let's do that again. So 3 plus 11 is 14. Oh, my pen's not very good. Minus 5a minus 4a. So 14 minus 5 is 9a. That's easy to do. Minus 4a. So 9 minus 4 is 5a. So we end up in the same place. So the idea of this is just to condense everything down to one term, all the like terms down to one. And this is how you can do it, either by rewriting it to make it a bit more intuitive, or just use the number line. Always works. If you've enjoyed that or you've enjoyed any of my other videos, please like and share, and most importantly, click the subscribe button. Let me know if you'd like me to solve something else.